Jury selection in the Derek Chauvin trial begins 1 week from today. The former Minneapolis police officer facing charges of second-degree murder and second-degree manslaughter in the death of George Floyd. ABC 6 News reporter Mackenzie Davis joins me live in studio to show us how the Rochester Police Department is preparing ahead of the trial. Mackenzie?
Betsy, earlier today, the Minnesota Court of Appeals had arguments on whether a third-degree murder charge will be reinstated against the former officer. Chauvin was originally charged with third-degree murder and second-degree manslaughter. Under Minnesota law, a third-degree murder is defined as causing another's death without the intent to kill. Minnesota Attorney General Keith Ellison took over the case at the request of Governor Tim Walz and increased Chauvin's charges to second-degree murder. Now he has to prove it in a court of law. What Rochester Police Department expects for the city is a calm, peaceful response to the trial and hoping there will be no violent protests like we saw last summer after George Floyd was killed. There were a few peaceful protests in Rochester last summer, but now RPD is still prepared for whatever may happen next week. Police leaders say they want to be vigilant and proactive.
If there are protests that are scheduled where our citizens or people in Rochester want to express an opinion, exercise their First Amendment rights, then we do have our protocols for ensuring that's done safely, ensuring our city is protected and that their right to do so is protected.
RPD's protocol for next week is to have more officers on standby if needed, while also paying attention to what is happening in Minneapolis and overall keeping the city of Rochester and its citizens safe.